Hello everyone. Product website quantity app helps user to set a minimum and maximum order quantity of the product. So below the minimum quantity and above the maximum quantity, customer cannot place an orders. User can set an quantity multiple, so the customer has an ability to place an orders related to the multiple of the quantity. Also, we can set all the three at once. If we don't have any facilities for any of the products, by default quantity will be in 0. Now let's see how it actually works. So for that we need to get into the inventory. Under products we can see all the products. Okay, now let's get into one of the product. In this product form page we need to get into the sales, where you can see an option to enable quantity configurations for the product. We need to enable this option. Once we have enabled, user can see and below listed three options, which is a minimum product quantity, maximum product quantity and product quantity multiplier. In some cases, if a minimum quantity is set and the rest of that others are zero, so let's see how it actually works. So for that I have set a minimum quantity. Now let's save this one. We need to get into the website to see how it actually works. So for that we need to get into the website. Under shops we need to get into an product that we have configured. So from here, user can see by default minimum ordered quantity will come. If user tries to minus this particular one, it will automatically set as a minimum quantity that we have set in the product configurations. And in some scenarios, if the maximum quantity is set and rest of these zeros, so from here I'm going to change the minimum quantity to 0 and maximum quantity is 2. Now let's save this one. We need to get into that website. Let's refresh this page. You can see that the minimum quantity will be changed to 1. Okay, we can add 2 but not more than 2. It will become according to the maximum product quantity that we have set. And then in case 3, if ordered quantity is multiple set and rest of them are 0, and we can set an product quantity multiplier as 2. Okay, now let's save this one. Now let's get into the website. If user click on and plus icon which is available here, it will multiply the product as we can see in here. Okay. For example, you can see that it will be multiply based on the 2. Okay. And if user tries to add, it will be add that 2 to the quantity that we have added. Now let's set a minimum and maximum quantity. Okay. Here I have set a minimum and maximum quantity. I have changed that quantity multiplier to 0. Okay, now let's get into the website. Let's refresh this page. Now you can see that it will be showing n2, which is n minimum 1. If user tries to add, there is a no access to add n more than 2, that we have set n maximum quantity as 2. Now let's add n quantity multiplier. I have added n quantity multiplier as 4. Now let's see how it actually works. So for that, let's get into the website page. Let's refresh this page. If user tries to click on n plus icon which is available here, there is a no change in the quantity because we have set n maximum quantity as 2. Now let's change this maximum quantity to 10. Okay. Now let's save this one. Now user can see that we can click on and plus icon. It will automatically added 4 quantities from the quantity which we have before. Okay. Now if user tries to add, you can see that it will add a 10. But if user tries to add again, you can see after the 10, user didn't have any access to add and quantity because we have set n maximum quantity as 10. So in this way, we can make use of this module to set and minimum and maximum ordered quantities, as well as we can apply and multiply to the ordered quantity of the product. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about and website related module, check our browser for playlist to see all newly updated website features that we have. Thanks for watching.